Okay, here's the fan. Here's the battery. Here's a light. You need a light to keep the battery going, or the battery goes to sleep and the fan won't work. You can run the fan manual or automatic. So when you turn it on, air comes through there. When you turn it off, the air stops coming. See there? And then there's a thermostat. Now right now it's set on cool. And it's all battery operated 5 volts. And then here's a temperature sensor. I'm going to lower this temperature until it starts. There it starts. I'm going to close it.
Warning, you will need to verify all data with a competent doctor, pharmacist, a manufacturer, and prescription serial number in order to get the most accurate data and temperature for your prescription. My study is based on my personal experience. Study by Bowdish. I speeded it up so you don't have to sit there and wait forever to see how fast it works. Study by Bowdish.
It works. It turns off automatic. It turned off at 70. So this whole area is controlled by this thermostat that I put together, and it shuts off automatic. And the reason why it works is because there's blue ice down there. I don't know if you can see it. I guess I have to take this all apart so you can see it. You can't see it. See the blue ice down there? That's the reason why it's working. Because it goes through there, it forces the air through there,